Hi, my name is Erica McFarland, and this is my presentation for planning professional development. Started off by giving the definition for andragogy, which is the process of helping adults learn by motivation through practical application. This is extremely important when we are planning our professional development because that's who we're giving our development to. The Knowles six principles of andragogy really stuck out to me. They are need to know, why are adults learning this? Experience, so we're building on existing knowledge. Self-concept, responsible for our learning decisions. Readiness, training used to solve immediate problems. Problem orientation, helping acquire specific knowledge. And intrinsic motivation, motivation coming from within. So why don't we practice this? I feel like some of them are just administration feels that they have to cover certain topics such as data, testing, etc. Central office requires admin to cover school district materials, and it's just hard in general to cover everyone's content in one professional development. As a physical education teacher, I can't tell you how many times I've sat through a professional development that had literally nothing to do with me. So why should Knowles principles work? It allows us to make changes to the way we plan, design, and evaluate our PD opportunities, focuses on what the teacher needs and wants, gives teachers a quality learning experience, and allows teachers to take responsibility for their learning and it's content specific. How can the principles be applied in the classroom? Same principles can be used in the classroom when planning projects and activities. Students can take an active part in planning those projects, see what excites them, what they're interested in, build the assignments and projects on things they've learned. It helps build their understanding. You can also deal with problem-based learning. The students are more inclined to be interested, involved when they have to figure out a solution to the problem. And students can be more successful when they want to do well. Finally, Knowles principles and my DTTP. Knowles principles will affect how I plan my PDs, sending out surveys to get detailed information on what teachers are wanting to learn. Distance learning is on the forefront. Topics to help with this transition will be a great way to ensure teachers are motivated to learn and planning for content specific areas. Like I said earlier, as a PE teacher, this couldn't be more important to me. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.